Coming up next on Rico GTV, we got escape inmate Antoine Massey, or Macy, whatever his name is. He pleads for legal help in a new Instagram video. Without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it, nigga. Alright, man. So, pretty much, I don't know what this is about. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be honest with you. It's a lot of crazy stuff happening right now going on with the country and the crime. You got Trump. I just heard Trump. If you notice my shirt, it say Job Corps. I used to go to Job Corps right here. I don't know if y'all can see that right here. Shout out Job Corps. So they definitely helped me get my feet. They definitely helped me get situated in the career that I want to pursue. So I'll shout out to them. I'll love to them for sure. You know what I'm saying? But I just heard I've been hearing about this Antoine Macy guy, and I just want to check it out. To be honest with you, gonna get to it. Shoot, just gonna get to it. You know what I'm saying? See what he talking about, man. Happy Tuesday to everybody. You know what I'm saying? Ain't I know everybody waiting on that check. Everybody waiting on Friday. It's coming. It's coming, y'all. You gotta get through this week. You know what I'm saying? But happy Tuesday to everybody, though. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. If it's happy early Father's Day to all the fathers out there that actually take care of their child. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all for sure.
I'm one of the ones that was.
So I'm assuming he escaped jail, and he escaped jail allegedly. But he's saying he got let out of jail. I don't know the whole backstory of this. Somebody want to explain this in the comments. I really don't.
Let out the GC. What I want to talk about today is far as why I was in Orleans Parish Jail. I think I was.
You know it's bad oh my god, this is embarrassing. This nigga really came on here with a whole paragraph in his hand, and he said, "Did he write this out?" Like I'm not fully understanding this. Did he print out this? Did he write and practice on this piece of paper? He reading off paper, y'all. I can't take this seriously. Anytime you see somebody reading off of something and talking about why he got let out, not like a game. If you got let out, why you just couldn't tell us without you having a paper? You got to read off of something to let us know. That's how I feel like you lying. See, I think you lying right off the bat, because why you got a piece of paper and you reading off a piece of paper? That made me think you lying. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying he lying, but I'm keeping it real. How did jail let you out, but you still pleading for help? They couldn't have let you out. If they let you out legally, then you shouldn't be asking for help. You legally out of jail if they let you out, like you say. I don't.
I was in custody for months. All right, 6 months, something like that. I was in there for theft of a motor vehicle and domestic abuse and
I don't
voluntary
even
release.
understand it,
That's
to be
what I was
honest
in
with you.
Orleans Parish for. Okay, but before I was in Orleans Parish, I was in a jail called St. Tammany Detention Center. All right, St. Tammany Jail here in St. Tammany Parish. There's two different parishes, Orleans and St. Tammany. Okay, today what I want to talk about is that I was on second-degree kidnapping, second-degree rape, domestic abuse, battery, involving strangulation, domestic abuse, battery, violation of protected
And
order.
like I say, I'm not saying he lying, but I'm saying like I just it's hard for me to believe this, because like you come on here and it's like I just don't know how they let you out of jail, as you say. You say it say in the title right here, say I was let out. If you was let out, then how did I'm not again, I don't know how you got out of jail. I don't know why you pleading for help. I just
Order, right? On this woman right here, her name is Diamond White. That's her name. This is a district attorney drop form right here. And she's not a child, she's an adult, a full adult. I was dating this woman.
so he not even reading off a script. He literally got documentation. Okay. I gotta listen to this. I don't.
This is a legalized affidavit saying all allegations against me is false. All allegations against me is false. I was nowhere around her or none of that during the timing of the day.
My man's. I can look at my man's. I can look at you and just off the bat just straight up and tell whatever you did, you did that. You whatever this nigga did, he did it. This nigga did it. I stereotype people. This nigga got face tattoos. You know what I'm saying? He sound like a criminal. You ever seen somebody just sound like a criminal? This nigga sound like a criminal. It's just what it is. He sound like a criminal. I can just look at this. I can look at this. I can look at this dude and just tell, oh, yeah, he did whatever he did. All them accusations. That's like I said. I don't know. I'm not. I don't work for the feds. I don't. You feel me? But like I said, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what's going on. All I'm gonna say is, I feel like this story not adding up. You leaving out bits and pieces of some information. This not making sense to me.
Which was November November the 10th of 2024. Okay, so I was in Centennial, right, and I was on a regular domestic charge, right. So they put a parole hold on me because I was on a domestic charge. So with that being said, is that once that occurred, once that occurred,
Is he at his house or he at his girl? Like who house is he at right now? I'm just like, who house is he at? The fact that he set up a camera to record this is just like, it don't make
the
sense to me.
charges was refused or whatever, they shipped me to Orleans Parish where I had more open charges. It was the theft of a motor vehicle and the domestic abuse, battery, involving strangulation. So once I got in Orleans Parish jail, all right, I have from the district attorney's office this woman who they say that I initially raped in another parish and in Orleans Parish is the same woman here. It's not different females. It's the same grown woman, not a child, a grown woman. Okay, she did the same thing in Orleans Parish, right? Correct. I'm about to show you how the system is corrupted. Okay, she did this, right? Saying all allegations against me is false, and she even saying it. She let them know the truth that I never did this to her. I never hit her. I was nowhere around her. Nothing. She got mad and thought that I was dealing with another woman. That's why she did what she did to me. You know what I'm saying? Another thing too, once I got into Orleans Parish, I was there for like a month or something like that. Okay, a lot went on as that time progressed. Okay, if you was an innocent person and you know the judges and DA know that this person is saying that all the charges that you're on that you did not do, why was you still in jail? Louisiana have the highest incarceration rate in the world for putting black people away. Yes, at the end of the day, in my younger life, I'm not gonna lie, I was causing problems. I was young. My daddy got killed when I was 7 years old. My mom had to raise 4 children by herself, so I had to find a way to try to help my mother. You feel what I'm saying? But as time went
Well, I'm glad you know your facts and all that. This is new to me. I didn't know Louisiana had the highest incarceration rates. I didn't know this. You know what I'm saying? So again, but what I'm saying is like, this what you again. The only thing that's not making sense to me with your story, what you claiming, is you escape. I'm sorry, y'all. It's so damn hot outside. It's ridiculous. It's hot as hell.
on,
I can't even talk. It's hot as hell.
the person
But man, like I'm saying, man, like it's just like if you got let out of jail, if they let you out of jail legally, why you pleading for help? What other like this is not a no. This is not an unknown thing to nobody. Everybody know the system is corrupt. Look what Trump doing. Do you know Trump? The nigga shut down Job Corps. He shut down all government funded, all government federally funded programs. He shut it down. He getting rid of immigrants. Don't even get me started on the tariffs and China wars and all that, and all the Putin and all that, all this crazy stuff. It's just like It's a lot, man. I'm not,
person that I once was.
I said, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't care what nobody. I'm not finna get into politics and all that. This is not a political channel. I'm not finna get into all that. I know it's a very sensitive topic, but I'm gonna tell you right now. You feel me? When it comes to this right here, this is crazy. Um, Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. If we would have voted for any one of them, we would have been messed up regardless. Because they don't want a woman being president, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't want a woman being president neither. That's just me though, because I feel like a lot of women too emotional. Not all of them. I'm not gonna put every woman in one box, but a lot of them are. Donald Trump, we know how he got down. You know what I'm saying? But we couldn't keep Biden because he too old. He having a stroke halfway through talking through his speech. Y'all remember that video, Joe Biden and Donald Trump presidential debate? Nigga was having a stroke halfway through his speech. So it's like, I mean, he can't function. He ain't his mental his capacity not there. He ain't got the mental strength to lead this country. Not nor does a female do. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying me personally, if you look around the world, it's never been a female leader. It's a reason why. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm not saying like it can't happen, but like I'm just saying, me personally, I don't. That's not what I would prefer. But y'all do y'all though.
I'm not that person today. That is not who I am. I have a 3-year-old son. I have an 18-year-old daughter that graduated yesterday, supposed to be. At the end of the day, that people don't understand that they see that I'm armed and dangerous. I have a heart. People that know me know that at the end of the day, I am a good person. So I'm asking for help from the world, from Meek Mills, Lil Wayne.
This nigga said Meek Mill and Lil Wayne. My man. I don't think Meek Mill is gonna help you get out of this. Who else you just say? Who the hell this nigga just said?
The world, from Meek Mills, Lil Wayne.
Nigga said Lil Wayne. Yeah, of course, the guy you want to help you is Lil fucking Wayne. You want Lil Wayne and Meek Mill. With the stuff they rap about, you really want them two? You really want them two niggas to help you? Them two niggas to help you get out of this situation. You asked for Lil Wayne and Meek Mill. Out of all the people, you asked them two rappers. Just not even people that's not even like, it's like they got involved with stuff of their own. I just don't know how they can help you get out of this. I don't think nobody's gonna. The people that's like I said. I'm not saying you lying, but your story don't make sense. You're saying one thing, then it's. I don't. I mean, again, I don't understand this to be honest with you. I don't know how the laws go in Louisiana and all that, but like I said, I don't know because I'm up here in Illinois. I don't know, but I don't think them. I don't think them. I don't think those two guys are the guys you call on to come save you and help you get out of this.
Young boy,
If you need help getting out of jail, I bet you 6ix9ine. I bet you he'll help you get out there. He'll help you get out of there. Trust me, he will.
Donald Trump, I'm asking for these people. I couldn't even get a lawyer.
Nigga said Donald Trump. Nigga said Donald Trump. This nigga said. This nigga said Donald fucking Trump. This nigga said Donald J. Trump. You want Donald Trump, the orange, the orange looking, the orange looking guy. You really want Donald Trump? This nigga can't help with nothing. This nigga didn't help nothing. He making the country worse. You talking about help? He can't even help himself. He can't even help us keep a decent relationship with the other countries. Every country he engage in conversations with, they want to go to war against us now. I done had ordered some clothes from China. I still ain't got it. I wonder why. Trump.
I couldn't even afford a lawyer to prove my innocence while I was in Orleans Parish jail. They said that I broke out. I didn't break out. I was let out. My name is Antoine Massey. The guy who said that I threatened him with a shank, the maintenance guy, how could I threaten you with a shank? If you can't come around me, you're a maintenance, You cannot come on the tills without a deputy being behind you, because if they just let you on the till, you could be persuaded to bring drugs or anything like that nature. So how can I threaten?
I'm gonna be honest. You fit the stereotype for you. I looking at you. I can't take you serious. I can't believe a word you saying right now.
To jail you, and why you didn't notify the people, the police, that if I did threaten you, you never did that. Like, you flat out lied on me. Sterling flat out lied on me. And I want to let the media know that from the straight tattoos in my face and things of that nature, of course they're going to believe Sterling. You know what I'm saying? I never told Sterling nothing. I'm willing to take a lie detector test and everything behind that. But that's another subject. Orleans Parish is one of the corruptedest jails. That in St. Tammany Parish is the corruptedest jails in the state of Louisiana. Why was I even incarcerated with a woman saying that this never happened? This is this woman's name. This is the charge, domestic abuse violation. This is about the shit in St. Tammany. Why was I in Orleans Parish? Why was I even in jail?
And it made me less believe you because like you asked for Meek Mill out of all the people. It's like it's crazy, man.
That's what I'm trying to show y'all. That's why I left the jail. And they have a lot more brothers that's innocent, just like me, that's trying to prove their innocence. That's why they ran. Jason Williams, the sheriff, Susan Hudson, these people are corrupted. These people was talking to St. Tammany and telling St. Tammany they gonna sentence me behind this, and telling St. Tammany if they can't get me, St. Tammany gonna get me. You see what I'm saying? Behind a woman that's a grown adult that never stated that I ever raped her. They have a detective that's over the case, that's trying to pursue charges on me because of my prior history. Who I was in the past is not who I am today. So I'm asking for the media. I don't even have a lawyer to help me. I'm asking for help. That's why I ran. You feel me? I'm a grown man. I have kids.
That's why you ran. I thought you said you was let out. It's like
I have a mother. I have a baby mother, a child, my children mother. Like it's a lot going on. And that's why I ran. I need help. You feel what I'm saying? Orleans Parish and St. Tammany is one of the corruptest parishes in the world. And I'm asking for help. It's a lot of corruption. It's jiggins, all type of stuff going on, and they covering it up. They don't care about nothing in the state of Louisiana. This is something that need to go under a federal investigation. What's going on? How they handling cases? Why Antoine Massey was in jail if the woman, the victim, the grown woman, not a child, the grown woman stated that he never raped her, he never beat her, he was nowhere in her presence. This is the affidavits on the date right here. This is the drop form from the district attorney office. This woman went did this. I didn't do this. Look, it's legally dated. So I'm asking, please, for help. Young boy, Meek Mills, people.
my God, this nigga said young boy. Do you know young boy just the nigga just got out of jail? How the hell young boy gonna help you, man? That nigga been in there for a year. Going on. That nigga been in there. He just got out of jail. That nigga been in there for a year. What the fuck you ask young boy for help?
LBL. You know what I'm saying? People that been through the system that know it's corrupt. Lil Wayne, Donald Trump, please, I'm asking for help. You
Nigga
know what I'm
said.
saying? When I get back in custody, I'm
Nigga said
asking y'all
NBA
please to
young
come and
boy.
help. You feel what I'm saying? I'm asking the world I'm letting y'all know I'm not a raper, man. I'm not none of that. None of that. I'm a good person. I am a father that want to be in my.
You know, you say you a good person. It's hard for me to believe that when you got. I'm not saying you not a good person. I don't know you, but when you got when your image looks like this, it's hard for me to believe that it really is. I'm not saying you lying. I'm just saying your image and you know what I'm saying and the facial tattoos and all this is just kind of hard to take you serious.
My children's life. You know what I'm saying? I want to let the younger youth know that going down the route of trying to be a street person is not the route. That's what type of person I am. Yes, I was lied on. They made Sterling lie on me. On all the guys they picked me for him to lie on. I'm not saying Sterling a bad guy, but why did you pick me to lie on, bro? bigger than Sterling. I don't know why they picked me for him to lie on, but I never threatened Sterling ever. How could I threaten Sterling or hurt Sterling? He cannot come on a tip with me without a deputy being present.
I want y'all to know this Antoine Massey, this nigga right here, he been arrested and charged with a lot of shit since 2009 and 2007. So this not nothing new. So it's, again, I mean, I'm looking at everything. I'm doing my little research. There's a lot of stuff I still don't know about this. I'm gonna have to read more into this after this video. But like I said, my boy, it's a lot going on. It's a lot going against you right now. I'm keeping it real with you. You're gonna have some comments in the comment section gonna have your back and all that. Man, I don't believe none of this. Man, it's like I can't say I don't believe you, but man, it's just like
My name is Antoine Massey. I'm asking for help. I
Antoine.
was one
Okay,
of
my
the
fault. It's Antoine, not Antony. It's Antoine. For y'all, correct me in the comments. Antoine.
ones that was let out Orleans Parish Jail on May the 16th or May the 15th, 2025. So please, Meek Mills, Donald Trump, Lil Wayne, please help me. Lil Wayne, this is Big Antoine's son that's talking right now. I'm Lil Antoine. I was in your mama wedding when she married Rabbit. I was the ring boy, Lil Wayne. Please help me, bro.
Yeah, you asked Lil Wayne, Meek Mill, and NBA YoungBoy for help. Like I just like I don't understand, man.